Robotic pool cleaners just went through a technological revolution over the past couple of years, now being able to clean everything from the pool floor to the pool walls and even scrubbing the water line. But the new Sora 70 from our sponsor Beatbot can also skim the surface of the water, which is something I never thought would be possible in a single machine, making it a truly all-in-one robot pool cleaner that'll fully take care of your cleaning needs, so you no longer have to do it yourself or spend the money on a pool service, saving you money over the long run, especially since Beatbot's doing their incredible sale right now with my exclusive links below. So in this video, I'm gonna quickly run through Beatbot's new Sora line of robots, including the Sora 10, Sora 30, and the flagship that we used for cleaning this pool, the Sora 70. But before I dig in, I want to give you guys a sneak peek of the before and after, which looks incredible, as the pool was just shocked the night before, so all of the debris was at the bottom. And then this is what it looks like after only around 2 hours of cleaning with the Sora 70, with the pool floor fully cleaned spotless, as well as the surface skimmed, which is really impressive since this thing is meant to clean for 5+ hours at a time. So I'll explain how this incredible tech works on the Sora 70 in just a minute, but first I want to quickly mention the other two models for those looking at more affordable options. So let's start off from the bottom, which is the Sora 10, and this is their entry-level model, and it is designed to clean the floor, walls, and waterline of a standard pool. But if your pool is a little more complex and includes platforms or shallow ledges, the Sora 30 adds the support for those, alongside with a larger battery for extended cleaning performance. Then we get to the star of the show, which is the flagship Sora 70. This model combines the capabilities of the other two and then adds surface skimming, making it a true all-in-one pool cleaning solution. It cleans the floors, walls, water lines, platforms, and even the water surface. So if you have a larger pool, a more complex design, or simply want the most complete cleaning experience possible, the Sora 70 is the model to look at. So now let's get into what makes the Sora 70 such an impressive robot pool cleaner. Right out of the box, you get the robot itself, the charging cable, a quick start guide, a pull hook, and a user manual. But before throwing the pool cleaner into the pool, you really want to first charge it to 100%. And thankfully, that doesn't take very long thanks to its 65-watt fast charging support. And the massive 10,000 milliamp battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in under 4.5 hours, giving it plenty of runtime to clean the entire pool. Now, the Beatbot Sora series connects through the Beatbot app, which we downloaded and set up, allowing you to easily select cleaning modes, check the status, and manage the robots more easily. So we then selected a cleaning mode, placed the robot into the water, and just let it get to work. Almost immediately, the Sora 70 started navigating around the pool floor, picking up the dirt at the bottom and the debris along the way. The pool that we were testing is not crazy dirty, but since it was shocked, it was filthy. But we decided to add some other things like bark to the surface to better demonstrate the cleaning capabilities of the surface skimming feature. But with that, the Sora 70 doesn't just clean the floor, it also climbs the walls and scrubs the waterline. If you've ever had to clean that stubborn buildup of oils, sunscreen, and debris that collects around the edges of a pool, you know exactly how annoying it can be. And the way that this robot can do all of this is with its massive suction power, where it sucks itself to the wall and scrubs it with the front brushes, where it goes up and down, scrubbing the water line. And then it collects all of that debris into its filter basket. Speaking of suction, this thing is pretty powerful. With up to 6,800 gallons per hour of suction power, it does an excellent job of removing debris from the floor, walls, and waterline, so you can be confident that your pool is getting a thorough cleaning. And what's especially nice is that if your pool includes platforms, tanning ledges, or even shallow areas, the Sora 70 is designed to clean those spots as well, ensuring full coverage throughout the entire pool. Now, the biggest upgrade by far on the Sora 70 is its active water surface cleaning, which doesn't just clean under the water, but also collects floating debris on top before it even sinks. It uses Beatbot's jet pulse technology to direct the water flow from both sides of the robot. This pushes the floating debris towards the center where it can be all collected into the basket. This is a really clever design that helps it clean the surface more efficiently and quicker than traditional approaches. And then once the cleaning cycle is finished, it returns to the water surface and parks itself, so you don't have to pull it up from the bottom of the pool like other robots, and instead it's right there at the top, so it's easy to lift out of the pool. Now remember that hook that comes in the box? Well, in case anything happens and the robots ever get stuck, you can attach it to a pole that every pool owner has, which is thankfully universal, and you can use that to retrieve the robot without getting into the water. Now the real test is pulling out the debris basket to see what the robot actually cleaned and pulled from the bottom of the pool, which, by the way, the Sora 70 has the larger 6-liter debris basket compared to 5-liter on the Sora 10 and the 30 models. I pulled it out and it had so much dirt, dead skin, and even a band-aid that was pulled from the bottom of the pool that it picked up. And thankfully it's really simple and easy to clean the basket. Just simply toss the junk into a trash can, then rinse the basket with a hose to get it nice and clean for the next use. And here is the final reveal of the limited time that we had with the pool cleaner. The pool itself looks 10 times cleaner than what we started with. All of the gunk that was at the bottom of the pool, like dead skin and everything else, was picked up without a problem. And fortunately, the water didn't get as murky since the pool was recently shocked, but overall it did a great job. Picked up everything that it needed to and made the pool look even better than what we started with. Now the great thing about the Sora 70 is that it features SonicSense AI ultrasonic navigation, which uses dual ultrasonic sensors to map pools, avoid obstacles, and clean 4 zones, even allowing it to clean shallow ledges down to 8 inches as well as surfaces. It also has dynamic path planning, which uses AI to analyze boundary echo data to adjust its S-shaped cleaning path, slowing down before walls and efficiently reorienting itself, as you can see in this time-lapse footage. So if you're interested in either the Sora 10, the Sora 30, and the flagship Sora 70, I'll have links to all 3 models down in the video description and the pinned comment below. And right now, Beatbot is running their Prime Day deals on the Sora lineup, so if you've been wanting to automate your pool cleaning, this is definitely the time to pick one of these up, especially the Sora 70 that does it all. So with all that said, use the links to get the absolute best deal possible, and I think that you won't regret it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe above, watch other videos over there. I'm Ben, and we'll see you in the next one.